Did you know? Jealousy isn't about trust. It's about fear of losing something valuable. We all know the feeling. That tight knot in your stomach. The obsessive need to check a text message or scroll through someone's profile. We call it jealousy, and the common wisdom is, oh, I just don't trust them. But what if I told you that jealousy has almost nothing to do with trust and everything to do with fear? That incredible quote, the one that stops us in our tracks, is, jealousy isn't about trust. It's about fear of losing something valuable. Think about it. When you feel jealous, you're not usually thinking, I believe they are inherently a terrible person who wants to hurt me. No, you're thinking, this relationship, this friendship, this status, this thing that brings value to my life is under threat. The person you are with, they are the catalyst. The real source of that gut-wrenching feeling, that's your fear of loss. Loss of comfort, loss of security, loss of connection, or maybe even loss of identity. What are we really afraid to lose? This is the crucial part. Jealousy is a spotlight that shines directly on what you treasure most. What is the value you are scared to lose? Is it the fear of being alone? You value the comfort and routine of having a partner. Is it the fear of not being the best? You value being the most interesting, attractive, or important person in their life. Or is it the fear of replacement? You value the unique connection you share, and seeing someone else potentially share that bond feels like a threat to your irreplaceable status. Once you identify the specific value you're protecting, you can start to address the root cause instead of just attacking the symptoms, which is usually arguing with your partner or friend. The power move, shifting from them to you. So, how do we handle this? How do we stop the knee-jerk toxic reaction and turn it into something constructive? The power move is to shift the focus from their actions to your feelings. Instead of saying, you make me feel insecure when you talk to that person, try saying, when I see you connect deeply with someone else, I feel a rush of anxiety because I'm afraid of losing the unique closeness we have. That's my insecurity talking, and I need to work on it. This is a huge change. You're owning the feeling. You're communicating your vulnerability without making an accusation. You're moving from trying to control their behavior to trying to manage your own fear. Ultimately, trust is about believing in the other person's integrity. Jealousy is about believing in your own capacity to handle loss. The healthier you are, the more secure you are in your own value, the less you will need to rely on external factors, like another person's perfect behavior, to feel safe. So, the next time that little green monster pops up, don't immediately attack the person. Pause. Ask yourself, what valuable thing am I afraid of losing right now? The answer might just be the key to your own growth. If this realization helped shift your perspective, hit that like button and let me know in the comments below what value you discovered you were protecting.